Hey guys, so we are checking out. This is the last view of the village, Ajla Village Resort. Bye. Say bye to this view. We'll come next time. Next time we can come again. No? No, don't. Okay. So, I'm wearing what I usually wear, so. Bye-bye. What are you having? Chicken?
Chicken masak lemak gulai padang koi nama
This
dia.
one is
And the jering and known as jengkol.
Jengkol? Wah, mulut. Okay, ayah ambil nasi. So this is all the dishes that they have. We are having nasi campur, meaning mixed rice dishes. What are you having?
This is babat. It's
oh no, stomach.
Stomach.
It's a
Beef tummy.
Beef
Beef tummy.
Yeah.
Cow tummy.
Yeah. I don't eat cow tummy, so let's get some rice. So guys, we are all having our lunch. I'm having fish, brinjals, potato, tofu. So let's. So right now,
Ada bawah lagi ada kan?
we're gonna go catch a movie. I don't know what we're gonna watch. We're planning to watch like Chinese Kung Fu, but by the way, we're in another car right now. We changed the car because we had some problems with our car, so we're gonna have to get our car fixed. So this is my dad's car. So hot. It's very hot right now. Something also wrong with the aircon. He's also, look at his face. Stress. Guys, we are here at the cinema. We are watching Resident Evil. They actually wanted to watch Kung Fu, but the showtime, we didn't get to catch the showtime, so Resident Evil it is. 8 of us.